to my channel. My name is Hannah and today we are going to draw a Halloween mug together. You can download the sketch, reference and color palette from the link in the description. First, let's place the sketch above all layers and change the blending mode to multiply. Then select the draw here layer. Take the main brush, set the brush size to 38%, pick the first color from the palette and paint the light areas on the mug as well as on its handle. Next, we'll switch to a darker color and paint the midtones. After that, change the color to dark brown and add shadows both on the mug and on the handle. To get a deeper shade, simply brush over the same areas a few times. Once the mug is ready, let's move on to the cappuccino inside. Start by creating a new layer. Change the color to light beige and paint the foam around the edges of the mug. Then switch to a darker beige and add foam on the left side where the shadow falls, making it slightly darker. Also paint along the inner wall of the mug. Next, change the color to orange and paint more of the foam. Using the same color, outline the little face with eyes and a smile, leaving the heart white. Switch to light yellow and paint the foam inside the face, leaving some space in the center. After that, change the color to light blue and paint the central part of the foam, finishing the heart on the right. Use the same color to outline the mug. Switch to gray and paint the remaining part of the mug's outline, the areas where shadows fall. Now, change the brush to the water blend brush, select the mug layer and reduce the brush size to 32%. Blend the colors with this brush to make the transition smooth and flowing. For smaller details, like the mug handle, reduce the brush size to 12%. You can increase the brush size again to work on larger areas. Next, select the foam layer, increase the brush size and refine the area around the face. To imitate foam overlapping the face, reduce the brush size to 9%. Then create a new layer above the foam layer, go back to the main brush and, using black, draw the eyes and mouth of the face on the foam. Set the brush size to 21%. While you continue to draw, let me quickly share something with you. If you are enjoying this tutorial and want to take your skills to the next level, I'd love to invite you to join my Patreon. As a Premium Patron, you'll get access to over 100 step-by-step tutorials, more than 40 full video lessons, and all of my exclusive Procreate Brushes sets. All of that for just $10 a month. You'll find the link in the description below. Can't wait to welcome you there. Next, hide the sketch layer, create another layer to add cinnamon on the foam, switch to the sponge brush and pick dark orange, the second color from the palette, set the brush size to 32% and brush around the foam and face, giving it a golden tint. Then reduce the brush size to 5% and add small clusters of cinnamon on top of the previously painted powder. Reduce the size further to 3% and paint shadows around the foam. Now let's add some details. Take the salted brush 3 from my Watercolor Effects Procreate Brushes set, pick white and select the foam layer, set the brush size to 17% and add this effect to the foam. Next, switch to the Water Effect 1 brush, select the MAC layer, set the brush size to 26% and add some watercolor texture to the MAC. After that, take the splatter brush 1, switch the color to dark orange and on the cinnamon layer add a few more details. Then switch to the glitter brush from my Winter Glow Procreate Brushes set, pick white, set the brush size to 32% and opacity to 44% and add sparkles to the black eyes, nose and mouth of the cute little face. And that's it, our illustration is complete. I am so happy we painted together. See you in the next tutorials. Bye!